my name is Heather. I work at Galileo where I come up with fun activities for kids. For this mix and match scavenger hunt challenge, the goal is to try to color in as many stars as you can. There are 4 categories: colors, textures, sizes, and shapes. If you find something that is red, for example, you get to color in a section of that star. And if it happens to be smooth too, lucky you! You get to color in a section of that star too. Try to find objects that fit as many categories as possible so you can color in your stars faster. Find a giant stuffed manatee? It's blue, fuzzy, and longer than my arm. Yes! To finish all your stars, you'll need to be determined and not give up. It might take a while, but your determination will surely make you a star. If you don't have a printer at home, no big deal. Just draw your own stars, or just try to find 8 things that fit in each category. If you color all your stars, or find something that fits a lot of categories, we'd love to see it. You might even help give others ideas. So please share. And happy scavenger hunting!